XDC Network Revolutionizing Trade and Finance, Exploring Crypto Derivatives Exchange Development. Welcome to our YouTube channel blog, a hotspot for all things related to the blockchain and cryptocurrency industries. Today, we delve into two intriguing aspects of the crypto world, the groundbreaking XDC network and the exciting benefits of crypto derivative exchange development. The XDC network, a trade and finance game changer. The XDC network, driven by its native coin XDC, is pioneering a new era of international trade and finance. The network, built as an enterprise-ready hybrid blockchain technology company, is designed for optimal performance in these sectors. With the backbone of the XDC protocol, the network boasts an impressive capacity for 2,000 transactions per second and a swift transaction time of just 2 seconds. The protocol is designed to support smart contracts, establishing a secure and efficient system. Moreover, Know Your Customer (KYC) protocols are applied to masternodes, validator nodes, to ensure security and compliance. SynFin's delegated proof of stake (SPOS) powers the XDC chain, SynFin digital contract. This system aims to establish a highly scalable, secure, permissioned, and commercial-grade blockchain network. XDC is not just a token, but it also opens up opportunities for real-world applications. For instance, TradeFinex.org, one of SynFin's use cases, helps small and medium enterprises originate their financial needs in a structured, digital way, allowing them to distribute it to funders through a common distribution platform. Exploring crypto derivatives exchange development. Cryptocurrency remains a trailblazing industry, with new trading products constantly emerging to boost traders' profitability. One such product gaining momentum is crypto derivatives trading. This concept attracts not only traders but also crypto exchange platforms. Understanding crypto derivatives. The development of a crypto derivatives exchange involves creating a platform where derivatives like futures, forwards, and swaps can be traded. The value of these derivatives hinges on the performance of underlying financial assets. Advantages of crypto derivative exchange. Crypto derivatives exchanges have several benefits including automated transactions, liquidity with leverage, multi-currency wallets, a powerful trading engine, and multilingual access. The exchanges also provide advanced features like sophisticated order matching, meeting diverse cryptocurrency investment needs, high-speed payment processing, the potential for good returns, and establishing a strong foothold in the DeFi market. Choosing Hivelance for crypto derivatives exchange development. Hivelance offers comprehensive cryptocurrency derivatives exchange development services worldwide. The advantages of choosing Hivelance include technical expertise, fast development progress, excellent customer service, and cost-effective integration solutions. Conclusion. As we continue to traverse the rapidly evolving landscape of blockchain and cryptocurrency, it's clear that innovations like the XDC network and crypto derivatives exchanges are transforming the way we approach trade, finance, and investment. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more insights and updates in the crypto space. I'm not an expert on blockchain, banking, or finance. I'm simply documenting and memorializing my journey on the evolution of money and Web3. I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. If you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe to receive notifications of my latest videos.